Hey there! Ever missed important calls because your Xiaomi phone's vibration acted up? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'll guide you through fixing this once and for all. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check for hardware issue. First, open the Settings app. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Detailed Info and Specs. After that, scroll down and find the kernel version. Tap on it repeatedly until you access CIT or Hardware Test mode. Now, tap on Vibrator Test. Check if your phone vibrates. If not, it's best to contact Xiaomi Service Center. Solution 2. Turn on and off all vibration options. For this one, open the Settings app again. Then, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Next, find the Vibrate section. Toggle off and on Vibrate for calls and Vibrate in silent mode. Now, tap Vibrate on Tap and select Off. Then select Loud. Now, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. Open Settings once more. Then tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. After that, tap on Erase All Data. Now, enter your password or PIN if prompted. Then tap the Factory Reset button and follow on-screen prompts. Once done, the issue should be fixed. That's it! You have just learned how to fix vibration issues on Xiaomi devices. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching!